Hi, I'm Rich Story. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So we've been drawing some of the luminaries from the first wave of anime to hit the shores of the US back in the 1960s. We kind of swerved into it originally by drawing Speed Racer in his famous Speed Racer pose, followed by drawing two characters made famous by one of the greats, Osamu Tezuka. That being Astro Boy, the first anime to be seen in the US, and then Kimba the White Lion and his father Caesar, which was the first anime to be featured in color here in the US. This week, we're going to jump ahead to the 1980s and draw two characters created by a man named Akira Toriyama, who revered the work of Osamu Tezuka and went on to create two of the most successful manga series of all time, Dr. Slump and Dragon Ball, which was then turned into one of the most successful anime series of all time. Anyways, I hope you join me today as I take my first crack at drawing Goku and his best friend Krillon from that original Dragon Ball series. So let's draw. We're going to draw our Goku and Krillon pose step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Goku, who we're going to draw first, is slightly taller than his diminutive sidekick Krillon. He's about 2.5 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 2.5 of those tall. That doesn't include his insane hair, which sticks out above his head another half head tall. And then there's Krillon, whose head is the same height as Goku's, with obviously no hair to obscure its size or shape. In this pose, Krillon is just over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is about 2 of those tall, with a bit of his right foot sticking out at the bottom. Okay, so what do you say we get started with our roadmap for Goku and Krillon from the original Dragon Ball? So there's our roadmap for Goku and Krillon. Now before I go on to step 2, I want to give you the layout of our two heroes using simple shapes for those of you who want a screen grab. Just something to help you when laying out your drawing of Goku and Krillon. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to position both of our characters' eyes, ears, nose, or lack of a nose in Krillon's case, bodies, and other features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Alright, so let's rough out the features for our drawing of Goku and Krillon. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Goku and Krillon. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Goku and Krillon. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now would be the time to take a moment and look at your drawing while it's still lightly sketched out and fix or change things before you commit to the drawing of those final lines. But even after you begin those final lines, you should still be thinking about how you might improve your drawing of Goku and Krillon all the way until the very end. Okay, so what do you say we draw in the details for Goku and Krillon? And that's how you do it. There you have it, from Akira Toriyama's original Dragon Ball series, Goku and Krillon. So how do you think you did? Understand if you've never drawn Goku or Krillon before, you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our drawing of Goku and Krillon during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Goku and his hilarious friend and rival, Krillon. And with that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your drawing of Goku and Krillon. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.